I think the advice I give to my attorneys that start with this firm is to, number one, always do what's right for the client. Because if you do what's right for the client, you'll do what's right for yourself and for the firm. That's number one. But number two, everybody wants to be associated with a hard worker. And you need to work hard to get good results. It just doesn't come magically. So when I interview people for a position at our firm, one of the questions I ask is, what did you do as a kid? Because I want to know what they did. For instance, I found that people that actually delivered papers as a kid, it's a good sign because they started working at an early age. And I remember back as a kid myself, I wanted this paper route job when I was like 13 years old. And the guy that had it said he was going to give it up in a year, but he was going to train me to how to do it. So I literally rode my bike with him for a year, every single day. I didn't get paid, but I was next in line to get that paper route. Well, he never gave it up. And I ended up getting another job at age 14, help installing swimming pools. And it was one of those jobs where, you have to use your hands and use some machinery. And even at that age, I ended up being the group leader because the guys I worked with in installing these pools, they just didn't know how to take the initiative to get the job done, but it just seemed to come natural for me, and I was able to do a pretty good job at that. I like people that have had jobs as a young age, and I think that's a good thing as a foundation for people, whether they're going to be a lawyer or a doctor. It doesn't really matter. Hard work usually pays off.